he had all these amazing stories about like, teaching biology to Oppenheimer.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's
that
so crazy.
I started actually my undergraduate research my first year. In the second semester,
Sweet.
I started already doing research in a lab, and I worked in that lab, throughout my undergraduate education. And we have done some really cool experiments there, and I learned a lot. I was in the lab of late Jack Fresco. He passed away a couple of years ago. He essentially was looking at essentially DNA structure. There are a lot of different things that we still don't know about DNA structure. There is like third strand binding that you can use. Telomeres actually have like these, fourth strand structures. So there is a lot of like, interesting chemistry and molecular biology that happens in that intersection. It was, really fascinating to work with him as well because, it is, part of it is, predictable, the chemistry part of it requires experimental approaches. And he has seen everything. He has been, one of the originators of molecular biology field. He knew Max Delbruck, like a lot of the people who really started this entire revolution. Like he communicated with Linus Pauling. Like he had all these amazing stories about like, teaching biology to Oppenheimer.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's
that
so crazy.
so it was really amazing to be, in his lab because, the sciences it was interesting, but you could also get kind of a history lesson about
Yeah.
history of science and history of biology.